Sinter-1 exhaust filter replacement. For this operation, you will need a lint-free cloth, pipe cleaners, replacement filter, nitrile gloves. On the Sinter-1's touchscreen, select the menu button. Select Gas and Materials. Select Exhaust Filter to begin the filter replacement utility. Running the utility will reset the furnace's internal Sinter-1 counter. After a fixed number of runs, you will receive an on-screen notification to replace the filters again. Open the access panel on the exhaust side of the Sinter-1. Remove the exhaust filter canister from the furnace by rotating the T-handle counterclockwise. Remove the used exhaust filter from the canister and safely dispose of it. Use the pipe cleaners and lint-free cloth to remove any wax from the boring face of the exhaust housing inlet. Make sure to work the pipe cleaner several inches into the inlet bore. Select the Verify removal on the touchscreen. Place the new filter in the canister. Hold the exhaust filter canister against the seal of the cap and tighten the T-handle, rotating it clockwise until the canister is securely fitted in place. Select Verify installed on the touchscreen and close the exhaust panel door.